Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my June favorites for you guys. So if you guys want to see what products I was completely obsessed with in the month of June, just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first product that I want to talk about, you guys, is from Fenty Beauty, and it's actually the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. It has a pump and it's frosted glass. It's stunning. I know it's a high-end product. I know it's expensive, but this is so good. I have dry sensitive skin and it works great on me. It moisturizes my skin just a little bit. It fills in my pores. It's not like they completely go away, but it minimizes my pores. I feel like my skin looks really pretty and just dewy, natural, plump, and smooth whenever I use this primer. So I'm pretty obsessed with it. I've been using it nonstop. It's pretty much the only primer I've been using. So if you have not tried it, I would highly recommend go to Sephora, get a sample, see if you like it, because I actually tried this out in store on my hand. And I walked around the store, and then that's what made me want to buy it, because my hand was just so smooth and like blurred out, and just it felt really soft, and it was just nice. It's perfect. So I really love this Fenty primer. The next product I want to talk about is actually something I forgot to mention last month, and it's this lash applicator from Lily Lashes. It's just a beautiful traditional lash applicator, and it's rose gold. You guys, this is nice. It's made out of metal. I'm not sure what kind of metal, so don't ask me. But they're very well made. I paid $10 for these at Generation Beauty LA back in March. They're just so incredible. They are so easy to use to apply my lashes. They just make applying my lashes so much easier. This lash applicator is incredible, and I just love it. I love that it's rose gold. It's cute because it says Lily Lashes on it. And I only paid $10. I'm not sure if I already mentioned that. But it's just pretty simple, pretty basic, something that I love to use to apply my lashes, and it's amazing. Moving on to some eyelash glue. This is the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe from Kiss. And basically, I finished up my Duo Strip Lash one that I was completely obsessed with, and then I didn't have a backup, so I had this one in my drawer. And I remember I bought it a while ago, and I used it, and I was like, whatever about it. But this is literally all I've been using for the last few months. I also forgot to talk about this last month, just because I wore falsies a lot last month. If you have sensitive eyes, this is actually really good. I don't find that it irritates me whatsoever. With the Duo Strip Lash one, I found that it's a good glue because it makes my lashes stay on, and it's actually really hard to remove. But with this one, it makes my eyelashes stay on 100%, and like literally they don't budge even if you cry. Like I have cried with lashes on with this glue and they stay on. But it's just such a gentle glue that at the end of the night when I go to remove it, I can actually like just, you know, remove it, pull it, whatever, rip it off. And it's gentle, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't tug at my eye like the Duo one would, because the Duo one is like so hard to remove that I always had to go in and like go like this and rub the crap out of my eyelash band before I even attempted to remove it. And with this one, I could just like do it right now if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. And it's drugstore, so it's super affordable. The next product, you guys, I've been so obsessed with this ever since I tried it out in my Full Face of Rimmel London products. This is the Scandalized Mascara from Rimmel London. You guys, I haven't put this down. I am completely and utterly obsessed with this mascara. It was only like, oop, I just smudged it all over my hand. It was only $5. With 2 coats, I find that I don't need to wear falsies. And I'm wearing it today underneath these falsies. I only did 1 coat because I knew I wanted to wear falsies. But it's super black. It's not too difficult to remove. This is not the waterproof one. But I find that my eyelashes are not crunchy. The formula does not flake on me. And the wand is soft enough for me to do my lower lashes as well. I did apply it today on my lower lashes. I don't stab myself. It doesn't smell funny. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I've just really been enjoying it, and it actually does give me good length and volume. I love to do 2 coats like I mentioned, and I've just been super obsessed, you guys. I'm still currently using it non-stop. I actually have 5 more products to talk about, so I'm almost done. I do have 2 concealers to talk about because I went back and forth between these 2, so I wanted to mention both of them. The first one is actually the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Concealer from Rimmel London. I also tested this out for the first time in that Full Face of Rimmel London. This one comes with like the little sponge applicator. I actually ended up really falling in love with this. I love the consistency of this, and it's so easy to blend out. I get medium to full coverage. I can definitely layer this up, and I ended up falling in love with the shade because I remember in that video I thought the shade was a little bit off for me, but after working with it for a little while, I actually really do like the shade. This doesn't really crease on me. I don't have issues with that, even though I have a ton of little under eye wrinkles. It's just nice. It's an all over good formula, and once again, it's drugstore super affordable. This next one is also from the drugstore. This is the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer from Kokie Cosmetics. This has been like my ride or die this past month, you guys. This one's in the shade Fair, and the Rimmel London one is also in the shade Fair, by the way. But this is the one I'm wearing today. You guys, this one is so brightening under the eye. It's insane. Like, the shade Fair is just, it's so bright. It's what I'm wearing today. I find it to be super bright on me personally, and it's just a really easy to blend, easy to work with one. I find that this consistency is actually a little bit thinner than the Rimmel London one, so if you like thicker formulas, go with the Rimmel London one. If you like thinner ones, go with the Kokie one. I mean, they're both affordable, they're both drugstore, they both blend out really great. They both give me about the same coverage. It just kind of depends on the texture, I guess, that you like, because they're both super lightweight. And I just haven't been able to put it down, so I've just been going back and forth between these 2, and it's just a really nice one, you guys. If you see this at Walmart, which is where you can get Kokie, and I believe Rite Aid as well, pick it up, try it out. It's drugstore, it's affordable, and it's really good. I have another Rimmel London product, you guys. I swear, I found so many new Rimmel London products that I like. But this is the Insta Duo Contour Stick, you guys, in the shade Dark. I have actually just been using the contour side, so that's what mine is looking like. I did use it today. The only thing I don't like about this one, when I open it up to like start going in, like if you guys see, it just closed on me. So I have to like hold it right here so that this thing doesn't turn, which is a little bit annoying, but it's not that big of a deal, to be honest, because it's like, I think this is only $5. And you do get a contour shade, and you also get a highlighter shade. I'll just quickly swatch it on my hand for you guys, and I just blended them out for you guys so you can see. The highlighter is really beautiful. I just really love the contour. I actually haven't really been using my Wet n Wild one, which is my favorite, but I still really love that one. I've just been using this one a lot more lately, and I love it. Rimmel London is so affordable, you guys. And this formula is super smooth, super creamy, and I honestly don't think the shade Dark is too dark. I feel like it's very easy to work with, very easy to blend, and if I apply way too much, it's still not going to look crazy harsh. Alright, 2 more products, you guys, and we're almost done. So I want to talk about a lip gloss, you guys. Last month, I mentioned the ColourPop and Shayla collaboration lip gloss, which I still really love, but I found a new one that I'm completely obsessed with, and it's the Lip Plumping Gloss from e.l.f., you guys. This one is in the shade Champagne Glam. As you guys can see right here, I've been using this. Oh my god, you guys, this is so good. I'm wearing it today with another lipstick, but this is what the little wand applicator looks like. I'm totally obsessed with it. It doesn't smell like anything. Maybe vanilla, but you have to like stick it in your nose. When you apply this, it's not like crazy tingling. It's not going to actually like expand your lips and plump them. I think why it's called a plumping gloss is because this is so glossy and juicy that it makes your lips look plumped. I can feel like the tiniest amount of mintiness and coolingness on my lips, but it's not anything crazy. Like, it just feels fresh and minty, I guess, but it doesn't smell like mint or anything like that. If you've seen these around and you've been curious, you know, it's not going to hurt your lips. It's definitely nowhere near the, what is it called? The Too Faced Lip Injections one. And then the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker. Like, those burn your lips and you can totally feel them. This one, I think you're going to be fine, especially if you have sensitive lips. This is a great one, you guys. It's like $5. I got mine from Walmart, and I actually just ordered a different shade. So you guys will be seeing that in an e.l.f. haul that's coming up. And my last product that I was obsessed with in June, you guys. Oh my gosh, I have gotten so many compliments on my highlight, you guys. I'm wearing it today, by the way, if you guys are curious. And it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter, you guys. This is heaven. Like, I don't know what I was doing with my life before this existed. It's only $26, $28 around there. I think that's a really good price for a high-end highlighter. It's like a different consistency. It's almost like it's dry, but when you apply it, like, it's just bam in your face. And I do find that if you are light-handed with this, you can totally get away with a super natural everyday highlight, or you can layer it, you can pack it on, you can wet your brush, you can wet your face, you can just layer the crap out of it and be like beaming, glowing to the gods, you know. And it's just an incredible highlighter, you guys. If you do not own this, I highly recommend that you pick it up before it's gone. I don't know if this is a permanent highlighter. Most collaborations tend to be out for a limited time, and I'm really happy that I got my hands on it. I've literally been using it since the beginning of June and I have not put it down. And I love opening this. I don't know if you guys keep hearing it, but I keep closing it. I just love hearing that sound. I don't know why. It does have the little button. It comes with the mirror. Like, I'm obsessed. So anyways, enough about that. That's it, you guys. Those were my June favorites. All of the products I was obsessed and loving in the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys will get notified every time I upload, because YouTube is annoying sometimes and doesn't let you guys know when I upload. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys! I have 2 more products I want to share with you guys, so please excuse the hair up and outfit change. So I realized when I started cleaning my table, I had 2 products I completely spaced out to talk about with you guys. They were literally in front of my face and I completely forgot to share it with you guys. The first product is from Rimmel London, and it's actually their eyebrow pencil. It's just a traditional pencil that you sharpen, you guys. It's actually what I have on my brows today, and I have the shade 001 Dark Brown. I really like it with my hair. It's got a little bit of warmth to it. This pencil is very easy to work with. It's not too waxy, it's not too rough. It's like a really good consistency, and it works really good. It's super affordable too. So that was one of the products I forgot to mention. And then the second one, you guys, I can't believe I freaking forgot to talk about this. It's actually the Stands Out Beauty Makeup Blending Sponge, you guys. I have a complete in-depth full review and demo on this sponge, so if you want more information on it, I will link it down below. But mine is dirty. I use this all the freaking time, you guys. It's so good. It's so soft. I use it for foundation, concealer, my powder, contouring. Like, it's just such an amazing sponge. And I have not been able to put it down. I have not used my e.l.f. sponge. I haven't used my L'Oreal sponge. Like, this is all I've been using nonstop ever since I got it. And I think it's been an entire month now. So, yeah, if you guys don't know about anything about the sponge, or you haven't heard about it, I highly recommend you check it out. Check out my video for more information. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys.